So after that, let's move forward to the featured section. So this feature section is also very important because this is the first section of your profile, so you have to decorate it wisely. Please listen this point carefully. If you are posting anything professionally on LinkedIn or any type of platform, please work on the details of thumbnail. Thumbnail is one of the most crucial thing on social media, any social media, YouTube, Instagram, on all their social media, because thumbnail is also first impression, so you have to work on it. And I definitely tell you that how to make this thumbnail, so don't worry about it, just watch along this video. So this is the thumbnail I made for Medium. Here I can upload my blogs, and here is the GitHub where I store my all the codes. So this in feature section you have to put your profile links of other platforms like GitHub, Medium. You can definitely post the HackerRank, HackerEarth and other CodeShare, LeetCode profiles in this featured section. This is the definitely best place to showcase your other platform coding profiles. Coding, not coding, blogging, everything. If you have any profile, then definitely show it here. And also if you have any post which is very remarkable, like if you have done something, like if you done any seminar, if you've done anything, like, so if you want that post in your feature section, you can definitely add this as well. So consider this. How to make this featured section? Just click plus icon, and here you can have the post option, newsletter, articles, link, media, everything. So this is the links, Medium links and GitHub link I added, and after that link there is a thumbnail section. I just post the thumbnail and just featured myself. So move on to the next point, post. So here are my few posts. So first of all, I will tell you I am a full stack developer, so my all post is around full stack development. So let's see what I posted, which is my first post. So this is my first post where I can post the my GPA calculator project. I just write this stuff using ChatGPT. So like this is the best way to create post, by using ChatGPT. Also I click one screenshot and just make it very beautiful, because someone sees this post can stick to it. So our main task is to grab attention of others professional. So this is very professional looking post. This is not very colorful and at, I know this there are colors, multiple colors, but this is the part of project, so it's allowed. So this is my first post, and after that I again uploaded one project, then again project, then again project, then again one freelancing website. So here I added the video of this. You can definitely add video, and while you are uploading video, just remember that your video is very short, like in 1 minute you have to cover up whole video. So my recommendation is use little background music, not the song, background music behind the video, so it makes very good. After that I just post the blog. This is the post for my seminar. So this is my post, here is my post, again this thumbnail. So see, I work on a thumbnail and then I post the blogs of Medium. So again there is this, and in video as well you have to post the thumbnail. See, this is the post of Hacktoberfest. Like I have two images to showcase. First is profile and second is this tree plantation certificate. So I have the choice to post two images on LinkedIn, but what I choose one image. Why? Because in this one image users don't have to scroll it, user don't have to just click on the single image then turn on the second image. User don't need to do this. I made this particular image which contained both the images and decorate it with the stars and this, which looking very attractive. So this is the best way to showcase your post. Just think from the user side, what user wanted to see and how comfortable they are with the two images, three images, how comfortable they are. Like here is my photo and there are multiple photos, so that's why I posted multiple photos all together, because if someone likes this seminar then can click as well. So I don't have to worry about this part, but in this certification part you definitely have to use this idea. So now let's see the about section. So this is my about section, and I made this about section very detailed, and you can't believe that I spent whole day to decide what to write in about section. Like this is very crucial about section. Like your about section have to be very concise and very crisp. Like no one gonna read your paragraphs of about section. Like essay, you don't have to write your essay because no one is gonna interested in you. Are not a Bill Gates, you are a IT professional. You just have to show your skills. So just write one paragraphs and work on this paragraph. You definitely read this paragraph. This is the very concise bio. Like I read all this paragraph in less than 1 minute, so it's very good for the about section that it is in around 1 minute. So please work on that, and you can definitely use this template. So my about section is also inspired from one of my senior, so you can definitely check this type of template as well. So let's move on to the experience section. So this is the experience section. In experience section you can write experience of your freelancing, your internships, your job. So basically these three categories are wrote in this experience section. There are many flaws in experience section, like many students or many professionals write very different thing in experience section, but as far as I know, these three things like freelancing, internships and jobs, these only three things are allowed in the experience section, because if you added anything like October based experience and any experience, then it's not gonna give you the vibe of professional, because the work is very serious, experiences you are very serious, so you have to post the serious stuff on LinkedIn. If you want to brag in the skill section, brag in about section, but don't brag in experience section, because this is very important. You have to show your, because if someone saw your profile, then they calculate the experience, like here is the 1 month experience. So if you add anything and adding the 1 year 2 year experience on behalf of yourself, then it's very foolish to showcase this experience. You know that. And there are many internships which is 1 month internship and which is fake internships, like I'm not triggering the topics, it's the part of the another video, but don't attach those certificates, internship certificates program in this experience section, because this is pure experience section. And if you have real experience, then only you need to post it. If you don't have experience, if you are a student, then don't need to make the experience section. Don't worry, nothing happened. After that, there is education section. In education section, you have to write college name, school name, whatever you want. Also mention the grade and year. Skills also, you can definitely post the skills as well. All the content here I write with the help of ChatGPT, so you can definitely use it. There is no need, there is no harm. After that, there is a license and certification section. In license and certification section, personally I attach very less and very authentic certificate on the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, I want to make my profile very authentic. Like someone saw my profile, they genuinely consider myself as a serious professional. I have many certificates, like I have 30-40 certificates, but I don't need to post every certificate. I just need to post those certificate who is very crucial, valuable and very hardworking and very important to ourselves. So those please post those certificates. You don't have to fill this section with all your certificates, so please take care of it. So next section is project section. So as you know, I am a full stack developer. I make lots of projects, so I make this project section and attach my every project. So whenever I post the project, I definitely add this in the project section, and I maintain this post and project section together. So this is the very good idea. And in this project section, you definitely make a thumbnail for your project section, but if you post the GitHub link, then it will automatically generate the GitHub thumbnail for you, so it's look very professional. The next section is volunteering. In volunteering, if you are in college, you definitely volunteer some events, so write those experiences in volunteering. It's a very good I guess. So after that, there is a skill section, and it is very famous section. You definitely gonna love it, because in skill section you have to brag every skill. Like I personally know that there are professionals who are just putting few skills according to their job role, but as a student you are doing various things like cybersecurity, so you can definitely add as many skills as you want. If you are in a job sector, then definitely you have to portray your skill according to your job role, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you are a student and if you know the technology, definitely if you know the technology, or if you work in this technology in any project, any school session course, then you can definitely add it. Don't worry about it. After that, there is a language section. You can definitely choose the proficiency of your language, any language if you want to add. And basically this is the complete LinkedIn profile, and you don't have to worry about too much about LinkedIn, because it's an organic platform. If you want a real organic growth, real organic opportunity, you have to work on the organic skills. You don't have to cheat yourself. Like there are multiples. I personally saw some incidents which is definitely a topic for the next video, but I saw some profiles which is definitely like not appropriate on the LinkedIn. So that's why please don't be a childish. Don't play a childish game on LinkedIn that post everything. I know, but just play the professional game. Simply consider yourself as the user and just make your LinkedIn profile, and it is very easy job. And for the posting, you have to post like weekly, monthly, whenever you want, but I recommend weekly one post is like good enough for the growth of LinkedIn. So I guess you understand all the LinkedIn aspect and you like this video. अभी मेरी थोड़ी एग्जाम चल रही है और प्रैक्टिकल सबमिशन वगैरह चालू थे, इसलिए वीडियो नहीं डाल पा रहा था, लेकिन आगे से मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि वीडियो बना के रख दूँ एग्जाम से पहले ही, मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो कंसिस्टेंसी में. सो अभी तो शायद वीडियो एग्जाम के बाद ही आएंगी, और जो आएंगी वो लिंक्डइन पे मेरे को बहुत सारा कंटेंट डालना है अभी, और क्योंकि लिंक्डइन में मेरा बहुत खतरनाक एक्सपीरियंस था, मैं थोड़ा डिप्रेशन में भी चला गया था बीच में. सो वो स्टोरी क्या है, उसके पीछे की क्या है, वो सब आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पता चलेंगी. सो यार प्लीज़ सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्सिस्टेंसी, बिकॉज एग्जाम चल रही है यार. सो अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स हु वांट टू बिल्ड अ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. सो आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.